Hi, I'm Pablo.
My name's Tyrone.
I'm UNIQUA.
I'm Tasha. And my name's Austin.
And we're your backyard friends, the Backyardigans. Together in the backyard again. In the place where we belong. Where we'll probably sing a song. And we'll maybe dance along. We've got the whole wide world in our yard to explore. We always find things we've never seen before. That's why every day we're back for more with your friends, the Backyardigans. The Legend of the Volcano Sisters.
Aloha! Aloha! That's how Hawaiians say hello.
We're Hawaiians.
I am Tyrone the Strong. I have great strength and big muscles.
I am Pablo the Swift. I run super fast. And I swim even faster. And I'm Austin the... I'm just Austin.
And together we're
The legendary Luau Brothers.
And why do they call us the legendary Luau Brothers?
Because we love a good luau. That's a big Hawaiian party.
We're brothers,
We're brothers.
and we love the luau.
We love a luau. Where we were laid
And party for days.
with beaming sun rays.
So have a seat
Let's meet and eat and sit and see
and talk and walk.
suntan and fan and prance and dance a hula. There's so much to do at a luau.
We're brothers,
We're brothers.
and we love the luau. We love a luau.
Hey, Luau Brothers. We have a big luau today. That's true, Just Austin. So let's head to our luau on the beach of Hawaii.
Where there's the finest sand.
And the largest palm trees. And the bluest water. Wow, this is great. Look at all this stuff. Now this is what I call a luau.
Whoa!
We are mad! Hookapele!
Oh no!
The Volcano Sisters!
We are mad!
We better find out what they want.
Quick, Luau Brothers, to the volcano!
To the volcano! What do you think the Volcano Sisters are so mad about?
I don't know, but we better find out.
If they get really mad, you know what will happen.
Hookapele! The volcano will erupt!
There will be smoke and hot lava everywhere, and our luau will be ruined.
We are mad!
Oh boy. Look!
Aloha!
Who dares enter our volcano?
It's us, the legendary Luau Brothers.
I'm Tyrone, the strong.
I'm Pablo the Swift. And I'm Austin.
Austin the what?
Oh, well, just Austin.
Well, we're the Volcano Sisters.
And we are mad! Yes, we heard.
We want something.
And if we don't get what we want,
We'll press this red button and...
Ukapele!
We know what we want. We know what we don't want. So get us what we want.
We'll get you what you want.
Do you want a new lay or a rare seashell?
We know what we want and we will not tell. Some tasty fruits or delicious mints. We know what we want and you'll get no hints. Is it soft as a pillow?
Is it hard as rocks?
Is it smaller than a snail? Or bigger than a bread box?
Do you put it on the wall?
Does it fit on the shelf? You'll have to find that out for yourself. We know what we want. We know what we don't want. So get us what we want. We'll get you what you want.
Do you wear it on your head? Can you hold it in your hand?
What part of we will tell you? Do you not understand? Is it made out of metal?
Cardboard or wood?
Would you call it great or just pretty good?
Would you tell us? Oh, Volcano Sisters.
No, we won't. Now go get it for us, misters. We know what we want. We know what we don't want. So get us what we want. We'll get you what you want.
you better get us what we want. Now
Phew. Those Volcano Sisters sure have powerful lungs. What could they want?
Whatever it is, we better find it fast.
Oh, I know. What if we give... It has to be the most fantastic thing in all of Hawaii. I know what to get them.
I've got it!
What? What?
The very heavy tiki mask.
Brilliant. It's the biggest, the heaviest, the tikiest tiki mask in all of Hawaii.
And I'm just the guy to get it because I'm Tyrone, the strong. Come on to Tiki Mountain.
But, I don't think the Volcano Sisters want a tiki mask. Look, there it is.
The very heavy tiki mask.
It looks kind of tricky. Yeah, move one pebble and all those big boulders will start falling.
I'm not worried about a few boulders. I'm going to get those sisters what they want. Very heavy tiki mask, here I come. No problem. Now this could be a problem. They don't call me Tyrone the Strong for nothing. All right.
Yeah, right. Way to go, Tyrone.
strong.
We are mad!
We better get this mask of the Volcano Sisters fast.
To the volcano, Luau Brothers!
To the volcano! Aloha!
What have you brought us?
Oh, great Volcano Sisters. We bring you the very heavy tiki mask.
It's the biggest, the heaviest, the tikiest tiki mask in all of Hawaii.
Bring it forth.
No problem. There you go. Enjoy.
That was not what we wanted.
No?
No! You better get us what we want soon, or Hukapele will make this volcano blow. Now go!
I can't believe it. I was sure the very heavy tiki mask was what they wanted.
Maybe it was too heavy or too tiki.
We've got to get them something even more amazing.
I know what to get them. I've got it.
What?
The shiniest pearl.
That ought to work. It is the biggest, the shiniest, the pearliest pearl in all of Hawaii.
And I'm just the guy to get it because I'm Pablo the Swift, the fastest swimmer in all of Hawaii. Look, I'm pretty sure the Volcano Sisters don't want a pearl. Don't worry, Just Austin.
They'll love it.
Come to the deep blue sea. That's quite a drop.
And the pearl is guarded by a very angry clam.
No clam is too angry for a swimmer as swift as I am.
Huh?
What does that mean? It means that nothing can stop me from getting the shiniest pearl. Shiniest pearl, here I come! The shiniest pearl. Uh-oh. Oh, Clammy. Hey! You got it!
You are faster than the angriest clam.
Told ya.
We are still mad!
Whoa, we can't celebrate too soon.
Yeah, let's get the pearl to the Volcano Sisters. Come on!
Aloha!
Come forth!
What you got there, Luau Brothers?
Oh, great Volcano Sisters.
We bring you the shiniest pearl.
It's the biggest, the shiniest, the pearliest pearl in all of Hawaii.
Bring it forth!
Tell me, you love it, don't you?
That was not what we wanted!
Really?
Really? You better find us what we want soon,
Or we'll press this red button and
Hukapele! The volcano will erupt! Now go!
Uh-oh! The volcano never did that before.
I think it's ready to blow.
Hukapele!
like it, and we say no. You think we're kidding, but it's no joke. Get ready for lava and a bunch of smoke. The ground is rumbling and the steam is rising.
Knowing those sisters, it's not surprising.
You do all you can to make them glad, and all they can say is we are mad. Hookapele, hookapele, hoop, hoop, hoop. The eruption is coming and coming soon. It's so loud you can hear it from the moon. Hookapele, hookapele, boom, boom, boom. Pardon us for the interruption, but it's time for a big eruption. We're so sorry, but you had your chance. It's time to call off that hula dance. Tyrone didn't bring the right gift.
Neither did Pablo the Swift.
Who knows what they wanted most? But now it looks like we are toast. Hookapele, hookapele, hoop, hoop, hoop. The eruption is coming and coming soon.
We've got no time and we're running out of room. Hookapele, hookapele, boom, boom, boom.
Now what?
We got them the greatest things,
The most amazing things in all of Hawaii.
Guys,
but it wasn't what they wanted. They didn't want a tiki mask. They didn't want a pearl.
That's it for us. We're toast.
guys.
Nothing worked. The volcano's gonna blow. Hot ash and lava everywhere.
No luau for us.
Guys.
Yeah?
Yeah?
I know what to get the Volcano Sisters. You do?
Why don't you say so before, just Austin?
I've been trying to tell you. Here we go.
Flowers? You want to give them flowers? If they didn't want the very heavy tiki mask,
Or the shiniest pearl.
they're not gonna want some regular old flowers.
Trust me, I'm sure this will work.
Hookapele! Hookapele! Hookapele!
Come on. Well, here goes nothing.
Ready to erupt?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Wait, Volcano Sisters. Wait.
Can't you see we're about to erupt?
Well, Volcano Sisters, I am Austin.
We know. Just Austin. And?
Well, I've brought you one more thing.
Oh?
I brought you these.
Flowers? You're giving us flowers?
This doesn't look good. Nice knowing you, brother. Yes, flowers. And here's why. You can wear the flowers to our luau. Huh?
Huh? Just Austin. Are you inviting us to your luau?
Yup, that's exactly what I'm doing.
Bring the flowers forth. Mahalo!
Oh no, mahalo, mahalo!
Pablo, mahalo means thank you. Remember?
Oh yeah. Wait, so you're not mad?
Mad? Of course not. We're delighted. Just Austin figured it out.
All we wanted was to go to your luau.
We love a luau.
Well, what are we waiting for? Ready to luau, Volcano Sisters?
Ready to luau.
Luau, Brother Austin, that was a brilliant idea.
You figured out exactly what we wanted.
You saved the luau.
You know, you're not just Austin anymore.
I'm not?
Nope. If I'm Tyrone the Strong,
And I'm Pablo the Swift. Then you are
Austin the Smart.
Austin the Smart. I like that.
and we're
The legendary Luau Brothers. We spend our days surrounded by hot and steamy lava. How nice it is to be outside with coconuts apples and guava.
The air is fresh, the sand is soft, there's a cool breeze in the sky. And the very best thing of all is that we met you guys. We can do a hula dance, or even take a walk. A shore is yelling, we are men on a hunk of molten rock. We're glad, so glad, we're glad to be out here with you right now. Not mad, but glad, and we're glad we didn't ruin your luau.
I climbed the highest mountain for the heavy tiki mask, but you just wished to have a party, and we just had to ask.
I swam the deepest ocean for a pearl that was so shiny, but all you really wanted was a gesture oh so tiny.
You only wanted friendship, yes, I knew that from the start. And that is why they call me Austin the Smart.
We're glad, so glad, we're glad to be out here with you right now. Not mad, but glad, and we're glad you didn't ruin our luau. We're glad to be out here with you right now, and we're glad we didn't ruin your luau. We're glad to be out here with you, we're glad to be out here with you, we're glad you didn't ruin our luau. We're glad to be out here with you, we're glad to be out here with you, and we're glad you didn't ruin our luau.
Uh-oh, Ukapele?
No, just my belly wanting a snack.
Hey, want to go back to my house for some orange slices? Yeah, that sounds
Yeah, good idea. That was an exciting Hawaiian adventure, don't you think?
Yeah, it was great.
We've got the whole wide world in our yard to explore. Now it's time for us to have a snack. Meet you next time when we're back with your friends, the Backyardigans.
See you later.
See you next time.
That's all.
Later.
Aloha. That means goodbye, too.